आमेरिकानि हादोरगिरि डनाल्ड ट्राम्पआ इउक्रेननि हादोरगिरि जेलेन्स्काइखौ सोंखारिदों। डनाल्ड ट्राम्पआ जेलेन्स्काइखौ व्हाइट हाउसआव लिंहरना हुमखि होयो। गोजोन गोरोबथानि थाखाय डनाल्ड ट्राम्प आरो जेलेन्स्काइनि गेजेराव बाथ्रा दान्थेलायनाय। नंगौ, आमेरिकानि हादोरगिरि डनाल्ड ट्राम्पआ इउक्रेननि हादोरगिरि भल'दिमिर अलेक्सान्द्रभिच जेलेन्स्काइखौ अन केमेरायाव हुमखि होदों। इउक्रेनआ थाबैनो दावहाखौ बन्द खालामाब्ला बायजोआव आमेरिकाखौ दं होना हुमखि होदों डनाल्ड ट्राम्पआ। आरो डनाल्ड ट्राम्पआ जेलेन्स्काइखौ लाख लाख सुबुंनि जिउ आरो थामथि मुलुग दावहाजों जुवा गेलेनायनि दाय होदों। आरो जेलेन्स्काइआ जा मावगासिनो दं बेयो हादरनि थाखाय मान गैयै जादों होननानैबो बुंदों बिथां डनाल्ड ट्राम्पआ। गुबुन फारसे इउक्रेननि हादोरगिरि जेलेन्स्काइआ डनाल्ड ट्राम्पआ हुमखि होनायाव डनाल्ड ट्राम्पखौ सासे मूर्ख हादोरगिरि होनना फिननाय होदों। बे जाथायानो जादोंमोन जेब्ला इउक्रेननि हादोरगिरि जेलेन्स्काइआ रासियाजों नांनाय दावहायाव इउक्रेनखौ गोख्रों गोहोगोरा खालामनो थाखाय आमेरिकानि मदद मिजिंथिना थांनाय 29 फेब्रुआरियाव व्हाइट हाउसआव थांदोंमोन। बे सावरायलायनायावनो आमेरिकानि हादोरगिरि डनाल्ड ट्राम्प आरो इउक्रेननि हादोरगिरि जेलेन्स्काइनि गेजेराव अन केमेरा बाथ्रा दान्थेलायनाय जायो। जोबथियाव डनाल्ड ट्राम्प आरो जेलेन्स्काइनि गेजेराव बाथ्रा दान्थेलायनायाव गोरोबलायैनि जेलेन्स्काइआ रागा जोंना व्हाइट हाउस नागारना थाङो।
All I can say is this. He might have broken deals with Obama and Bush, and he might have broken them with Biden. He did, maybe. Maybe he didn't. I don't know what happened. But he didn't break them with me. He wants to make a deal. I don't know if you can make a deal. The problem is, I've empowered you to be a tough guy. And I don't think you'd be a tough guy without the United States. And your people are very brave. But you're either going to make a deal or we're out. And if we're out, you'll fight it out. I don't think it's going to be pretty, but you'll fight it out. But you don't have the cards. But once we sign that deal, you're in a much better position. But you're not acting at all thankful. And that's not a nice thing. I'll be honest, that's not a nice thing. All right, I think we've seen enough. What do you think? Huh? This is going to be great television, I will say that. All right. We'll see what we can do about putting it together. Thanks.
Guys, come on, let's go.
We'll see. I don't know.
All right, guys, come on. Wait, hey, come on.